All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got another one today. If you guessed it, yeah, with the screen door. I didn't set up the tripod because it's a tight deck up here, but what you want to do is obviously you put your header piece up first, and then considering which way you want this door to open, usually you open it out where the doorknob is, okay? If it's on that side of the doorknob, open it that way. Put your track on either side of this door, whichever you're going to open it with. You got to have a gap up on top. You want to make it consistent all the way around. It looks good. And right now we're going to measure up. We have a template to put in for the doorknob. We're going to drill some holes, and then we're going to set this thing in place with the piston. All right, that's pretty much it. It's a tight spot, but that's where we are. Stay tuned. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, today is a pretty basic. Customer needs a new screen door installed. Gonna have probably just a few issues. It's not your basic 36-inch opening. It's an older house. It's a lot wider. He had a custom-made door put on a while back. The wind took it, ripped it off. He doesn't want to pay that kind of money anymore, so we're going to customize his door opening, and we're going to put it back to 36-inch, or we're going to make it 36-inch. I got to get some 2x4s and kind of frame it out. But we're here at the depot. I got to run in, grab a screen door, grab some 2x4s. We'll be at the aisle in a minute to see what kind of screen doors they have. Bam! All right, we're here. We're in the screen door aisle. All right. He had a full viewing one of these bad boys over here. Didn't want to spend the money this time. Okay. Although they're not too bad. We're gonna go with one of these guys here. All right. We got the 400 series. We got the 200 series. 400's nice. It's got the nice handle. All right, you got your screen and your glass. Not bad. Okay. We got a couple over there. All right, so let me figure out which one we're gonna get. It's a basic door here. All right, well, stay tuned. After this, we're gonna grab some 2x4s and some 1xs, and we're gonna load it on the truck, and we're gonna get over to that job. All right, we're out at the truck. Okay. I know I go over this a lot, but when you put your stuff in the back of the truck, put a nice little tie down in there, and if you don't know how to hook it up, which most of you do, you got these hooks that you hook on. You know what I mean, in the pickup truck. So if you're renting a truck and you're new at this, just look for the hooks. They're usually in each corner. Can't get to the front ones because of the toolbox. And you don't want to jack this down too much. You don't want to bend the frame or anything. So go nice and easy so it's just on there, okay? Is it me, or is this song always on the radio, cuz? Come on. Yo, I had a quick question for everybody out there. All right, quick question. What's up with this vaping stuff, cuz? I don't get it. I just don't get it. All right, we're here. We're at the job. First thing you want to do when you're parked on the street here is you want to get yourself secured on the road so people can see you and they don't smash into you. I learned this at my job, my full-time job. Bam, okay? Put one in the back, and we're gonna put one up in the front, cuz. Right up here, okay? They're the small, cheaper ones, but you know what? When I start making some money, I'll get the bigger ones, cuz. I'll put them out. This way, if a car is coming around the corner, before it wipes out the trailer. At least it sees something. All right, let me get to it. Let me get the stuff up to the house, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, we're here. This is what we're dealing with. You can see ripped off, the door got ripped off the hinges in a storm. So I'm going to take the old tracking off, and we're going to start measuring this thing out to you know, get that 36 to fit. All right, quick update. I had to frame this thing up, 2x4s, a 1x, to accommodate this door. I'm going to come back and trim this out, and then we're going to paint it. It's nice. It's accommodating the 36-inch screen door. All I have to do now is, before I fall off the stairs, just got to drill the handle, put the handle in. I got to put the lock in, put the piston on there, which isn't too bad, and that'll be it. Then I'll come back and I'll put some kind of a stripping. Maybe I'll look for that composite so it doesn't rot, make it look nice and neat. But that's it. 2x4s, square it out, make sure your opening is for a 36 by 80 inch door, and it's a hot one today. Here's all the scrap. These small jobs turn out to be a pain in the neck. You need all your tools. All right, stay tuned for the finished product. All right, it's done. I'm gonna come back. Like I said, I'm gonna trim this out for him. This thing is in. We're gonna paint it. It'll look nice. All right, but it's nice, it's sealed. And once this outside trim is completed, it's gonna be nice. It's functional, it works, and that's it. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video. It's a hot one. And on the way out from every job, remember what we did when we first got here. Go around the truck, grab your cone. Wouldn't hurt to check underneath, kid. You might have a dog, you might have some neighborhood kids screwing around, and that'll ruin your day. Trust me, if you run someone over. So that's it. Put your cones back. You don't want to drive away. Leave your cones in the street, bro. All right, then you'll have to turn around. You look stupid if somebody sees you pulling away. I'm sure I've known a few people in my life that have done that. All right, again, share, like, subscribe. I appreciate you watching the videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. One more thing, note to self. Don't do any work when it's 107 degrees out. What the hell was I thinking? I will catch you later.